My client came in after fading out her copper color for about 2 months, looking to get a pink color with peekaboo rainbows. The first thing I did was lighten the hair starting away from the scalp, and I didn't run the lightener over the ends until removing the foils. I used a low developer for this whole process since her hair started out pretty light. We also always leave a little bit of a root so that the grow out is easier for her and she doesn't have to come in as consistently for maintenance. I'm always trying to think of the healthiest way to lighten my client's hair, especially when my client's hair is curly, because it's really important to keep that curl pattern intact. I used the same color pink to start the rainbow that I used on the base so that it would all blend together really nicely. After applying the rainbow peekaboo in the back, I then added rainbow highlights in the bang and face frame area. I didn't want there to be a big separation between the pink and the rainbow right around her face. We were so in love with the results. Her hair looked and felt so healthy, and the rainbow blended so well with the rest of the hair. The thing I love most about adding rainbows into any color is that they fade really nicely and eventually just end up turning into a pastel rainbow. The pink looked so gorgeous on her, and we loved the way the little rainbow highlights look.